Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for tuning in today. So we just finished a project here in Dallas, the White Rock area. We did a 5.1 system in the living room. If you look overhead, we have our front left and right speakers, center speaker, and sub. And then we have the B7 OLED LG TV mounted over the fireplace. And then here in the rear of the room, we have our surround rear left and right. And then off of zone 2 on a Onkyo receiver, a 9-channel receiver, we're running these dining room speakers so that they can toggle them on and off as needed and independently control the volume to that. And then we tied into the Onkyo receiver a Sonos Connect, which is compatible with the Onkyo for quick switching. And then out here on the patio, we have a Sonos Connect Amp, which drives these InstaLink speakers. And then we have a TV mounted on the wall, which we ran a line out of RCA so that he can select the audio of the TV, which he's just going to be utilizing the smart features. But he can select the audio from that TV to play through the speakers, or just have them going independent, like music through the ceiling and video to the TV. Let me show you the rack. Throughout the entire home, we just mounted the TVs up on the wall and hardwired them back to the switch. Master, just another TV mounted up on the wall. TV that he had already owned. Nothing too special. And then the AV rack. Right now, this room is wired for a theater room, but right now we just mounted a TV on the wall with a sound bar because it's a kid's playroom. And then this is the custom series rack that we had to build. You can see typically we use the FS series that has the doors on it and looks really clean. This is a little bit more basic, but it does the job. It holds all your equipment. We have the tube lights to light everything up, and then surge protect all of the devices as well. This is the Onkyo RZ830, which is powering up the downstairs surround sound system in the dining room. And then, like I discussed earlier, the Sonos Connect and the Sonos Connect Amp. This is all the structured wiring that he's not really using right now, but he will utilize as time goes on. Right now he's starting off basic, but down here we just put a HDMI for an Xbox, which the kids are going to hook up here in the game room. If you guys would like to have something like this done in your home, just give us a call or shoot us an email. Thank you for watching. This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater.